Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a professional web banner in Adobe Illustrator. To get started, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Set the dimensions based on your needs. Set the width to 1000 pixels and the height to 300 pixels. Make sure to choose RGB color mode since this design is intended for digital screens. Lastly, set the resolution to screen 72 ppi for optimal web display. Now that our document is ready, let's move on to the design process. First of all, create a rectangle for the background. Click on the rectangle tool M* from the toolbar and draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard. This will serve as the base of your web banner. After drawing the rectangle, choose a solid color from the swatches panel to fill it based on your desired theme or brand colors. Once you're satisfied with the background color, keep the rectangle selected and go to Object, Lock, Selection. This will lock the background layer in place, so it doesn't move while you work on the other design elements. Now use the pen tool, P, to draw a custom shape for your design. Once the shape is created, use the eyedropper tool I to fill it with the gradient color I've already chosen. If you prefer, you can also use any solid color or select a different gradient from the swatches panel. To refine the shape, use the Direct Selection tool, A, to click on a corner point and round it, giving the shape a softer look. Next, use the Pen tool again to draw another shape as part of your design. After that, select the Gradient tool, G, to adjust the direction of the gradient fill, making it flow smoothly with your layout. To add more depth, make a copy of this shape by pressing Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-F to paste it in front. Change the color of the copied shape to create a subtle contrast between the two similar shapes. Now select both of the similar shapes and click on the Shape Builder tool, Shift-M. While holding Alt, Option on Mac, and left-clicking, delete any parts of the shapes that are outside the artboard to keep your design clean and precise. Next, let's add an image to make the web banner more attractive. Go to File, Place, select the image you want to use, and click Place. Resize the image to fit your design appropriately. Now take the copied black shape and place it above the image. Select both the black shape and the image, right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask. This will clip the image into the shape, giving your banner a stylish look. If you want to adjust the placement or size of the image inside the mask, simply double-click on the clipping mask to enter isolation mode and make your edits. To enhance the design further, click on the Line Segment tool to add some decorative lines. Draw a line, then adjust its stroke weight and choose a width profile from the stroke panel to give it some dynamic variation. Make a copy of the line and reposition it as needed. Now, select both lines and change their blending mode to Overlay from the Transparency panel to blend them beautifully with the background. Feel free to add some more creative shapes using the pen tool or shape tools to complete your web banner and make it visually engaging. Now click on the Type tool, T, and write some text about your business or product. Make sure the message is clear, concise, and easy to read. You can highlight key points like your brand name, tagline, or any promotional offer. To make the banner more stylish and informative, add some icons, such as social media, phone, or email icons. These small details can enhance the overall look and provide useful visual cues. If you'd like people to contact you, don't forget to include your contact information, like an email address or phone number. Next, add a button to encourage visitors to take action, like Order Now, Shop Today, or Get Started. Use the rectangle tool to create the button shape and the type tool to place the text inside. Make sure the button stands out with a bold color and easy-to-read font. To finish it off, add a few more decorative lines or shapes to balance the design and add interest. And that's it! Our web banner is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more graphic design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.